Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Kristi and today we're going to be mixing it up a little bit. I am going to be showing you some of the Dollar Tree gift baskets, bags, and mug sets that I'm putting together for this holiday season to give out as gifts. So I thought this might give you a few ideas of what I'm doing. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of video, make sure you tell me below so I'll know to do more. Okay, I'm going to start out with the simplest one first. And remember, these can be mixed up any way you like. You don't have to use the same items, but there are so many different products to choose from at the Dollar Tree. Mix and match the way you like. But right now, Dollar Tree has a ton of super cute holiday mugs out right now. Of course, I went ahead and picked up this one. It's one of my absolute favorites. It's the snowman with the carrot nose, and it is super huge and oversized. This is great to drink coffee out of, hot chocolate. I like mugs that are big like this just to sit and hold and eat cereal and soup out of, so I love to get mugs. I love to give mugs. But this one is going to be as a teacher's aid gift. So it's not a teacher's gift, so I just want to put just a few things in here. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be using this year to put in it. Okay, there are several filler items to choose from, and if you don't want to put anything inside your mug, you don't have to. We have the decorative shred. This is available in all different colors, and it's by Voila. They also have this available in the metallic. And then, of course, if you wanted to just stuff it with tissue, you can, to keep everything in place. I don't plan on doing that with this because it's so big on the inside that it's just going to sit in there nice and neat. Right now, my Dollar Tree has several different small candies to choose from. I will insert a picture over here of the ones that you can pick up right now. Early November is a great time to start picking these items up. They go so fast. I just picked up the chocolate covered cherries because they are my absolute favorite. And I also picked up one of the Ebates K-Cups hot chocolate. If you can't find these in your area, that's not a problem. You can always pick up just a box of the hot chocolate and put the packets on the inside if you want. But all I plan on doing is just putting the little Ebates in here and also the little candy pack, and then wrap it in foil. Okay, once I have it the way I want, then I just use some of the Voila plastic wrap that you can pick up at Dollar Tree just to hold everything in place and to make it more decorative. And here's what it looks like. You can make this as fancy or as simple as you like. I just tied it with some of the white ribbon and then just curled it, and I'm just going to let it hang. I'll also add a tag to this when I'm ready to give it out. If I do now, it's likely to get torn off, probably by Quincy. Currently, Dollar Tree has some absolutely adorable pineapple bags in. I have found these in the makeup section and also at the register. Here's what they look like, and here's the little tag. It just says pineapple bag, and they open up like this. You put whatever you want into them, and then you cinch them up. When I saw this, I knew I had to get one for Christmas and that I wanted to fill it up with makeup. Being the mother of two girls, I have to fix up little gift bags for their friends. Kerrigan is 17, and so her friends like makeup and nails. So these things are currently available at my Dollar Tree. That's why I'm showing them. Right now there is the LA Colors Brow Tint. This is available in several different colors. They also have the lip oil available in several different varieties. This one is the grape. We also have face primers. This one is in the peach for dark spots, and they also have the clear for pores. And they also have the concealer and correctors. This one is for dullness. They still have these available, and these are your LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. There are 3 different types available. I'm just adding in the rose. I also wanted to add in some fingernails, and I just wanted to let you guys know that that is an option. And they also occasionally have e.l.f. products at my store. And what is the other one? There's several different name brand makeups that they have, but right now we have a ton of the e.l.f. in. Now, of course, I'm not going to add all of these, but I wanted to show you just what is available in that section. You could also add in the polishes. Right now, my stores have several of the name brand Kiss nail polishes, and those are amazing. So inside the pineapple bag, I wanted to fill it up with some of these products, and I wanted it to be about a $10 gift. So I'm going to be adding in, of course, the nails, because you know I have a love for the nails, and also one of the eyeshadow palettes. I wanted to add in one of the lip oils, the brow tint, a color corrector, a mascara, and just the primer for pores. They have these in right now in the LA Colors, also for your contouring and highlighters. Just several different varieties of LA Color products available right now. And I think that's about it, because we're quite full at this point. And then I'm just going to cinch it up and leave it like that and add a name tag to it. I'm not going to do too much to this since it's probably just for a teen girl, this one is. But this would be great for any lady. I would love to get something like this because, as you know, all these products are my favorite. Also, if the pineapple bag is not available to you, there are several different cosmetic bags that you could choose from to fill with makeup. Again, all you have to do is just cinch this one up, and you've already got your bag and then all of your makeup on the inside. Just a really cute little idea. Okay, let's discuss some of the gift boxes and bags and baskets that you can put products in when you get into bigger sizes. Right now, like I said, there are so many available in so many different sizes. So you can pick the size you need for the gift that you want to add. These are just some of my favorites that I've picked up this year so that I could add whatever I needed to in them. I think this one is so cute. And this one would be even cute if you wanted to spray paint it like a galvanized color, since it's got the little handles on it. And then occasionally at one of my Dollar Trees, we can just find these woven baskets. This one is a Greenbrier brand, and I picked it up a while back, but it just says gift basket on it. So just keep your eyes open. Anything can be a basket to put gifts in. Okay, another one that I'm excited to make this year is sort of a pamper basket or kit. There are so many great items out at Dollar Tree right now to choose from. I'm just going to start showing some pictures right now of example things that you could put into one of these. Just pick whichever items are best for you or the gift that you need to give. But I wanted to do mine in one of the little boxes that I picked up, and it's going to be this one because it's such a great size. And to do that, I'm just going to take the top off and then add it to the bottom so that it sits down in it, because I don't want to put the top on it when I put all the items in it. Okay, since there's so many nice Bolero products out right now, that is what I'm going with. I picked up the coconut cream and vanilla facial wipes, also the foot mask and the foot scrub, and I picked up just a pair of the super soft socks. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to add them to the inside of this. Okay, the first thing I'm going to add in is the foot mask, and then I'm also going to add in the cleansing wipes. followed by the foot scrub. See how everything just fits really nice in there, and then I've still got that one space just to roll the socks up and fit in there. Okay, there's what it looks like once you get everything in it. I'm also going to take the plastic wrap and just wrap it all up, and then put some of the little curly ribbon around the top and add a little name tag. Okay, here's what it looks like when you've got it wrapped in the plastic, and then I just put a little tie right here. This is going to be hidden because to this one I did want to add an ornament, and the ornament that I picked up to add is just the red truck with the Christmas tree that says Merry Christmas, and then I'm just going to add that around the top so that it hangs. Since it's already got a red truck here, I thought it would be cute. Is that not just adorable? And let's see, I have 4 items on the inside plus the box and the ornament, so there is $6 here, but it looks so much more expensive than a $6 gift. Okay, here are just 3 of the gift ideas that I'm doing this year, and I've already got them ready for December. These are so simple and cute. Everything can be found at Dollar Tree right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, just let me know. I have a ton of things that I'm doing this year, and I'm just now getting started. So I will see you next time. Bye.